Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsa. In this video, we're going to see how we can use a slider concept in graphical user interface using MATLAB software. So, in previous videos, we already discussed like edit text, then pop-up menu, then we discussed push button. So in the same way, in today's video, we are going to discuss a slider concept in graphical user interface. So first open the MATLAB software. In MATLAB software, in command window, simply you have to write a guide and give the enter. Whenever we give the enter, the one window will be open. In that window, you have to select a blank graphical user interface default and just click on OK. Whenever we click on OK, the one window will be open. That window is nothing but graphical user interface window. So basically in this window, we have to use a slider concept. So how to use a slider concept? So simply in a graphical user interface, you have to check at the left hand side there are different text, radio buttons, toggle buttons, checkbox are present. In that, at the top there is one point is there, that is nothing but slider. Just you have to select it and you have to place here. Then for example, I can take, there is a one text, for example static text, and I will change the string for static text. I will write a string, for example as a slider. Just click on OK. Again I will take text, static text, and I will make empty in a string, because whatever values that I am going to change, that value should be displayed on this second static text. So whenever I change or whenever I move the slider, the automatically value will be displayed on the second text box. So for that, in a slider you have to change some parameter. Simply click on this slider, just go to the inspector UI control. In that there is one point that you have to select a maximum and minimum. So you can see here is a max and min. So simply I will write, for example 100 and the minimum minus 100 and just cancel it. Okay, then I have to write a one program that whenever I change or whenever I move this slider, that value should be displayed on this particular text. So how to do that? So simply right click on this particular slider and just go to the view callback. So it will ask to save the file. So you can save the file as per your choice. Then whenever we save the file in graphical user interface, it will automatically create one .m file. So you can see here is the .m file of that graphical user interface, and you have to write a program under this slider one callback. So here I have to write a program. So what program I have to write? Simply I have to change the some values. Whenever I move the slider from 0 to 100, it will show the values. So I will write, for example, value is equal to get in bracket handles dot slider 1, because that particular block is slider 1. You can see the slider 1 tag. So that's why I have to write a slider 1, comma, in semicolon you can write, for example, value, because I going to take values. Then I have to display that value in a text, so I have to set that text. So set in bracket, again I will write handles dot text 1. So again you have to check that text 1 or text 2. This is the first one is the text 1, the second one is the text 2. So here tag should be a text 2. Then after that again comma, then string, comma. So in that string I have to display that value, so I will write val. Okay, so that's it. This is a one simple program. So simply I will go to the editor, run. It will ask to run the program. So whenever we run the program, the one window will be open. So just check here, if I change the slider, it automatically show the value 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 up to 100. In same way for a decreasing purpose. Okay, so that's it. It's a very simple way to access the slider. So you can use this slider for your different applications purpose. So I hope now you understand how to use a slider concept in a graphical user interface using MATLAB software. If you liked my videos, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Share this video, that this video will helpful for the student for their studying in MATLAB software, and please like these videos. So we will see a new video in next few days. So thank you everyone.